Working out how to make your superannuation last in retirement is one of the biggest questions people ask themselves as they get closer to retirement. Here's some Moneysmart methods for what you can do, including accessing government services, working longer or part-time, and sticking to a budget. How long does it need to last? Many people today live well into their 80s. That means if you retire at 65, you may need your super to last 15 years or more. Think about your goals, like where you want to live and what lifestyle you want to have over that time. Understand your living costs. Moneysmart's free budget planner can help you map out your current living costs so you can understand how your future income will cover your retirement needs. Steps to make your super last. If you are worried about a gap between your income and expenses during retirement, here are some things you can think about. Change your retirement age. Working a little longer lets you keep earning and contributing to super. Apply for government benefits. You may be eligible for the aged pension and pensioner concessions. Keep working part-time. Some people do this to ease into retirement and top up their income. You can earn a certain amount per week before it affects your age pension. Pay down debt. Think about how to reduce or clear debt before retiring. Downsizing your home may help free up cash. Your super fund can also connect you with financial advice to help you with your decision. The Moneysmart website has lots of free and independent information for what you can do to help make your superannuation last into retirement. Be Moneysmart. Small changes can make a difference.